In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build a to-do list in Notion. We will do this by grabbing a ready-made template from the Notion Marketplace and placing it into the right area of your workspace so you can start using it right away. Start by going to your Notion home. This is the main dashboard where you can access your pages, team spaces, and recent work. Once you are there, look to the left side navigation and click on Marketplace. The Marketplace is where Notion hosts templates and other resources that you can add directly into your account without building everything from scratch. When the Marketplace opens, go to the search bar and type the word highlight. As you type, results will begin to appear. Click on the result labeled highlight to open it. This takes you to the template page where you can preview what you are about to add. Take a moment to confirm you are on the template you want, because many templates can have similar names. Next, click Add. This is the button that copies the template into your Notion workspace. After you click Add, Notion will ask where you want to place it. Choose New Team Space. Selecting a team space helps keep your pages organized, especially if you use Notion for different areas of your life, like personal tasks and work projects. After that, you will see options for where the template should live. Click Recents to view your most recently used locations. This is a quick way to file the template somewhere you can easily find it again. From the Recents list, click To-Do List. This confirms the destination and opens the newly added page. Once the page loads, click To-Do List again to enter the main to-do list view. At this point, the template is in place and ready to use. You can begin clicking into the existing areas to edit the content, replace any sample items with your own tasks, and adjust the page title if you want it to match your workflow. Finish by clicking into the highlighted areas on the page to make sure the template is active and selected and that you are editing the right section. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.